Hi. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Tell us
Teddy.
Taniwa.
Taniwa. Whichever way you want to say it. As long as it's not Teddy.
Of course not. What? Tell us your talents.
Ooh, pressure.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's
on.
Talent. Well, braiding.
Hey, we like it. Hey guys, Coily Diaries here. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for subscribing for those that are already subscribed. And if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Press that button, subscribe, like, and definitely share this video. Anywho, as you can tell, I'm getting my hair braided for the first time in, a whole year, I think. And it's exciting to not do my own hair, you know, after so long. It's just good to have somebody take care of your hair. Now, you guys probably know I have recently had my first boy, and the mama life, it's busy. I have not had time to look after my hair the way I usually do. And I've been sort of living in twists as usual, but with a little bit of encouragement. I did need a bit of encouragement from family and friends to just, you know, get a bit of a neater looking style, something that will last me a bit longer, something that I would like as well. And, you know, it kind of intertwines with all the self-care that we women have to do every now and again. And so I decided on cornrows. Now, the thing with getting my hair braided is that it's always an issue because you rarely get people that you can work with, people that will not, you know, snag your hair out and break your hair and pull your edges out and take your nape out. You know what I mean? And I am just blessed to have someone that, you know, is a friend, but also talented, multi-talented. I will not tell you all of her talents.
Scary.
I will not tell you all of her talents, but she has got the talent, guys, for braiding. She actually has a Facebook page. It's called Hair by Tad. Is that right?
That's right.
Hair by Tad. And she does all sorts of things, guys. If you're in Australia, in places like Mackay, Alice Springs, you know, Townsville, Australia, sometimes Melbourne. Do you do Adelaide at all? No. But the places I've mentioned, she kind of goes around. So, you know, you can always catch up with her, link up with her and see when she'll be in your town and get your hair braided. What I love about her is, 1, she's professional. 2, she's friendly. 3, she's not rude. Number 4, she listens to you and the needs that you have for your hair. For me, I want to keep my edges, okay? I've got postpartum shedding and I am not about to snatch out the last bit of my edges. So that was a big requirement, you know, for me to be able to find someone that would not try and braid all the bits, you know, that we've been trying to grow. So yeah, she was able to listen to that request, and also my nape, just to keep that nape nice and free flowing. So yeah, really exciting. Okay, now the best thing about Taddy's business, or the, you know, the braiding or the service that she offers, is that she is actually quite reasonable with her prices. And you know, I will not be paying loads of money for my hair. I like to do my hair myself, simply because obviously I like to be gentle. I like to take my time with my hair, but I also want to save a bit of money with my hair. So she's reasonable. And like I always say, you have to support small businesses and support each other with these businesses. So don't be expecting to not pay money or to, you know, be paying nothing. Definitely prepare yourself to invest. But again, I would definitely refer and recommend her because she will not cost you the bunk. I'm trying to get her on camera to say hello, but yeah, it's proving a little bit difficult at the moment. Do you want to say hello? Hi. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Tell us.
Taniwa. Taniwa. Whichever way you want to say it. As long as it's not Teddy.
Of course not. What? Tell us your talents.
Ooh, pressure.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's
on.
Talent. Well, braiding.
Hey, we like it.
Anything with my hands.
You know.
Not a great cook though, but you know we can feed masses.
Yeah,
no,
we won't
masses,
starve.
No, we won't starve.
We won't starve.
We're good.
So what do? You do cornrows? What else do you do?
We do braids.
Come into the show.
We do braids.
Braids, yeah.
We do weaves.
We do
crochet, yeah.
You do crochet.
Yeah.
Do you do twists?
We do twists.
Do you do flat twists?
We do, no, we don't do flat twists.
Okay, no flat twists. That's fine.
We do, what else we do?
That's pretty much the lot, pretty much. If you can get your twists, your braids, your cornrows, your weaves.
Cornrows with braids.
Oh, there you go. And with your own hair. Because I'm getting...
hair, that's right. If you're blessed with this much hair, just use your hair. You know, the vibe. But yeah.
Anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this for people that are in Australia and that can go to those towns again. Townsville, Alice Springs, Melbourne, Mackay, you know, text her. She might be in your area around about the time that you want to do your hair. And yeah, I definitely recommend. So I'll stop rambling and I'll let you guys enjoy the cornrows. I think they're super neat, cute. I think I'll be keeping it for a year. I will be washing my hair and deep conditioning, etc. But guys, yeah, this is a style I look forward to keeping for a while. So I hope you enjoy. Do comment below, let me know what you're doing with your hair, what styles you're doing, what styles work for you. Cornrows are great. If you're a busy mom, they look cute. They are a protective style. You can do a lot. You can wash your hair, deep condition your hair with the cornrows, but you can also wear wigs with them. So if say the style is a bit raggedy and you're just not ready to put in another style, pop on a wig and it can take you a little bit longer. So yeah. Hey guys, so thanks for watching. This is the final look. I am so excited about my look and look at how long this hair has grown just in a couple of months. It's super exciting. I know I've already done a few twirls for you guys, but here we go again. It's so cool to just see what natural hair can do and the many styles we can put it into. This video will not be complete without me saying a huge thanks to Tadiwa. Come on in.
Hey, yo.
Hey. Thank you so much.
Liz. Now you must welcome you.
You're welcome.
And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe to your Girl Peas channel. Yes, keen to see you guys next time.
Yay!
Woo!